welcome back to Aarti Creations Art and Craft. If you are a new viewer, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notifications of my new videos. This time, I'll show you how you can make this beautiful gift for your loved ones. You can gift it to your teacher or to your father or mother or to whom you love very much. Do you know how? Just change the picture and slogan according to your need and show your love towards them. This is the list of material required for the purpose. First, I am going to make balloon portion. For this, required several different color A4 sheets. Make 6 circles on one side of A4 sheet. Its radius will be 1.5 cm. It means a circle will be of 3 cm. Now, fold it 4 times as I am showing here. 6 circles are required for one balloon-like structure. 4 folding of paper means you can make 4 pieces of balloon. I will make 32 or 34 balloon of different color. Now fold the circle at the center and paste them as I am showing all the 6 folded parts like this. Similarly, cut circles of different color A4 sheets and make balloons, approximately 32 or 34 balloons in number. Now take nylon thread or you can say plastic thread and color it with the white fabric color. For this, cut a piece of foam sheet, insert few drops of color into it and just apply it on thread like this. Cut this thread into small pieces to make strings of balloon. Remember, balloons on upper side must have longer strings in comparison to lower one. So cut strings accordingly. With the help of Fevicol, insert one string into the center hole of each balloon. Cut 2 stencils of heart shape and with the help of it, I will cut red glitter sheet. Take any one picture of your choice and also cut it accordingly and then paste it on the glitter heart. Similarly, cut a piece of thermocol in heart shape. Cover its edges with red ribbon After this, paste a red glitter heart on it. Here I am decorating the edges of photograph with green chain. It's totally optional. You can decorate it with the Fevicryl 3D outliner or color stones, etc. It's totally up to you. Now arrange balloons like this on blue A3 sheet and stick them with the help of Fevicol. Try to arrange it in a dome-like shape. Remember one thing, margins should be equal from all sides. After pasting first layer of balloons, overlap another layer of balloons over it. Now cut the shape of clouds from white ivory sheet and dark blue sheet and arrange them in this manner. First paste blue cloud and then white cloud over it. But before pasting third layer, insert small pieces of foam sheets in between the layers of clouds. I am pasting fourth layer with the help of double-sided tape. Now take a piece of rectangular size ivory sheet and fold it, and then cut it into two small size clouds. Fold one cloud from the mid of it with the help of a scale and then paste it on another one. Collect all the strings of the balloon and tie a knot at the bottom. Cut extra thread and stick it with sellotape. Now paste a small cloud here and a red glitter heart. Cut another heart-shaped structure to write the slogan on it. I have taken green color A4 sheet for it, but you can change its color according to your choice. And now write the slogan on it. You can change the slogan according to your need and to whom you want to dedicate it. Take a thermocol sheet and cut it according the size of A3 sheet to make its base. And cover it with white chart paper and then paste A3 sheet on it. To make this beautiful designer edges, we need multicolor quilling strips. Fold one strip in this manner so that we can get marks of folds, and from that mark I will start rotating strip towards one side up to the another mark, again and again, as showing here. Now paste them on the edges, one after the another. At last, cover the bottom with the blue clouds. Like this. It is complete now to dedicate your loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and please do comments in comment section to motivate me. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.